Hi everybody, my name is Kim, and today I'm going to do something different from my normal video, which is animals and wildlife from basically my trail cams, and every once in a while I do a drone video because I like to fly my drone too. Quite a few years ago, I got into digital frames in order to be able to see some of my photography and watch some of my videos that I get so much enjoyment out of. So I went and I bought, a rather inexpensive 7-inch digital photo frame. When that died, I replaced it with another one very similar to what it was. And when that one died, they each took a couple of years. So when those ones died, I decided to look into getting a little bit larger of one, maybe even two of them, because I have an awful lot of footage. So I went online and I did some investigating, and I found a company called Eooke Digital Frames, Eooke. It's a Chinese company, and the product looked really good. They do both industrial and residential, for homes, whatever, digital frames. So I ordered a 24-inch and a 32-inch. Got them home and set them up, and they were just fabulous. I had no problem with them at all. They have beautiful footage. There's the screen, and the color is just fantastic. It has timers, so I set it to come on at a certain time and go off at a certain time, and that works flawlessly. About 3 months in, my first one, the smaller of the two, the 24-inch one, it just stopped working for whatever reason. Just stopped working. Nothing I could do would get it to work again. So I contacted the company through email, and they automatically, without any questions asked, sent me a replacement one without me having to send the first one back. They said it just wasn't worth the time and money to ship the first one back all the way to China. So they just sent me a replacement one. When I got that, I set it up and everything was fine. About a month after the warranty on my larger frame, the 32-inch, was up, it stopped working. So I was like, what the heck? Contacted the customer or the company again, and he said, I'm sorry, I can't send you a replacement one because your warranty is up. He said, but what I can do is I can send you a motherboard so that you can replace that yourself. I said to him, I have never done anything like that before. I've never even taken anything like that apart, and that I didn't think that I would be very successful. So he said that he would make a video just for me explaining how to do it and show me the whole process. So I was like, okay, if that's what can be done, then fantastic. Let's go ahead and do that. So he did. He made a video just for me. I was even the first one to watch it, and it showed me exactly how to do the process. I watched it a few times, and then when I received the motherboard, they actually sent me a motherboard for the 32-inch one, and then they also sent me another one for the 24-inch one that had broken previously and was just kind of sitting in my other room, because I asked him to do that and he said no problem. He sent them to me at no charge. I was just thrilled with that. So after watching the video they did for me a few times, I decided, okay, let's go for it. So this video is going to be about that. So hang on and watch and see if I am successful. So, goodbye for now. I'm about to try this for the very first time. I'm going to exchange an old motherboard for a new motherboard, and see how it goes from there. First I'm going to take out all the screws. There's a whole bunch of them. These 4 screws here are a little bit different from the ones on the outside of the frame, so I'm going to put them in a separate little pile. Okay. I think I need to take this tape off. And there are some screws on here that I need to take off. I believe it's 2 just down here at the very bottom. All right. There we go. That one. I watched the video on how to do this that the company sent me 4 or 5 times because, like I said before, I've never done this before, so I'm just kind of going by what they said in their video. This picture frame is about 2 months out of warranty, so they sent me the motherboard replacement for free. With the and they even made the little instruction video just for myself, which I thought was pretty bloody nice of them. Okay, this little one comes out first. Okay. I think I need to flip it over. This one. This one. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3 left over on here. All right, now for the new one. This white dot goes to the top, so I'm gonna, well, this one doesn't have the 2 extras, so we're just gonna just need to put my glasses on. There's 2 rows of these and 2 rows of those, eh? Okay. Now this one goes on here. This one goes here. Make sure it's pushed in all the way. That one, what else do I have? Just this little one that goes, oh, right there. Aha. Aha, I got it. Make sure they're all in all the way. Now this one here is the last one. And it goes right on here, like this. I'm just not used to fiddling with these little things, I tell you. It's kind of nerve-wracking. Scared I'm gonna break it. So let's just try it like this. And that was it. I had it upside down. All right. So now, get these wires out of the way, so I can line it up with these little holes, like that. That's good. Got my little ground wire thing here that's got to go to this. Okay, I'm just gonna put it back together and see if it works. Something that's not straight in here, so let's see if I can straighten that out. Okay, well, let's start with this one then. Makes a little bit more sense to me. Get the one that goes in easy, that lines it up. All right. Okay, well, let's go see if it's gonna turn on. All right, I got it back in its spot. Let's plug it in. Oh, look at that.
Alex? Is that you?
Yeah, told you. US Bank is always within range.
I didn't think you meant it that early.
Get one of my memory cards.
That's what US Bank is for.
Any thoughts on the sandwich?
Oh, thank you. Very neat.
US Bank. We'll get there together.
And we're back in business. That is absolutely awesome. So there's my two frames there.
Definitely E for me. It's just so forgiving.
Well, I am just tickled pink. And I even managed to get my first one that I had replaced with a brand new one fixed, because they gave me the motherboard for this one for free as well. So I am just beside myself with joy. Well, as you can see from that video, I was able to replace the motherboards. I was able to do that on both the frames, and they're both working perfectly. This is now 6 months later, and I'm very happy with the company, very happy with the product, and have nothing but good things to say about them. So if you're looking for a digital frame, I'll put the info in the description below so you know where to buy them from. So, thanks for watching.